and check this out. It's do it yourself. You get out of the car and you choose which option you want right over here. We want to get the pollen off, so first we'll wash it. Rinse first, and then soak, and then dry. You can see right over here, like a power washing, and then there's the dryer. Right there, you can see there's the hood. And right over here, all this nonsense right over here from the pollen. Right here, look at all that crap on the car right there. It's a good thing I'm recording, because look at that, I left the top open. That would have been bad. Whoa. Whoa. This one has Rain-X in it. Wait, how do it's gonna spill? I need like a funnel. Okay, we just had the windshield wiper fluid. See, there's the tachometer running. Broken the plunger and the prop latch, so we gotta fix. And when you go to the gas station, open it. It goes onto here. There's the gas can, you pour it into the thing. You want like 3-4 clicks. You can see I'm wiping off the car. I have the defroster on too, but you can hear this ice coming down. This is not good. Okay, and if you get a flat tire, you should, there's a spare tire and a jack in your car. Just pop the trunk open. You can see the spare tire in there. We'll lay it down for a second. This is the donut tire. Close the door. Oh, I don't know if this one comes out. Oh, here it is. Here's the tool. It goes right there. I'm not going to do it really. And then you go like that. Unscrew it multiple times. Okay, my oil change light is on and we're about to reset it because we just added some oil. I'll show you. I just cleaned it off with the rag and I'll show you what it looks like right now. You can see it's at the max right there. You can see right there is the oil. It looks pretty clean also. Okay, as you saw, I don't know if it didn't come in too clearly, but I had a full thing of oil because I've been having a car leak oil light, so that we added oil ourselves. And it says we're due for an oil change right over here. I'm not due for 158,000, so we usually round it up to 160,000, and we're full at the top of the thing. And you can see right here we're down to 15% oil life, but we're at 100% because we actually added an oil additive that slows the leak of the oil. It cleared the warning right there. You just hold this button, hit select, just hold it down for about 10 seconds, and then a message screen will pop up. And then right here, just tap it. Oh no, I have to hold it. Oh, did it go away? Oh yeah, I just cleared it. It was at 15%, now it's at 100%. And that's how you cleared the message. Here's the thing. We're gonna check the tire pressure with this tire gauge. Oh, I got 30 this time.